am at Myakka River State Park. I just got here and it is hot out. The sun is right there in the sky and it's shining right in this whole side door. So I've got to get my site set up. I think I definitely probably will need the moon shade this trip. Let me do that and then I'll show you around the campsite. So you can see how bright it is out here. It is hot. The curtain does a lot to diffuse the light coming in the van, but I worry a little bit about the floor down here. It's doing all right. I decided not to set up the moonshade just yet. I have my rug set up, picnic table covered, my bike put together. It's a pretty nice site. It's a pull-through site and it has full hookups. Although all I'm really using is the electric, and I may have to use the water, but I kind of doubt it. You can see there's the sewer hookup. There's not a lot of privacy, but enough. There's a nice little buffer here from the neighbors. We have a standalone grill. Fire ring. And I'm right next to the bathhouse. Although I may not use that because of COVID. I haven't been using them each of these trips, and I figure why start now? So I decided what I'm going to do is get on my bike and take a ride around. It's so late in the day now, and since the sun's going to be coming down, I'm going to probably not put the moonshade up tonight, and then I just want to make sure if it's going to be like this tomorrow to get it up, you know, for the afternoon. Because like I said, the sun is shining right there. I have this door pull closed right now because of the glare, and I'm getting ready to leave. But the fans, I'll get those kicked on. I had them on earlier, but I turned them off because it comes through so loud on the phone, which is what I'm using as a camera. But this park is really large park. There's a main drive, and it's about a 7-mile drive through the park. I'm at the Palmetto Ridge camping area. There's 3 campgrounds within the state park, and the other ones, I went to one of them and I don't remember which one it was. It wasn't this one because this one wasn't built yet, and it was about 15 years ago, and they were all just kind of packed in side to side, all the campers, and I didn't really care for that. But this one's nice. It's set up more for like your big RVs, you know, especially like I don't need a pull-through site, but it was really easy to get into. And because of I wanted a little more privacy at the back doors, I kind of cockeyed the van a little bit, put it at an angle. So it gave me a little more privacy than most pull-through sites would give. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna take a ride around. Breeze feels good on the bike. One thing this park is especially known for is all its alligators. There's a little one right over there, and I say little, but he's like probably 5.5 feet long. And then there's a turtle over here. Gosh, and I'm just getting started. I just passed an area that's supposed to be where a lot of the bigger gators hang out, but I don't know that it's the right time of day. I'm going to be going back by there, so I may get to show you guys that. So there's the Canopy walk right back that way. I'll probably do that in the morning. It's not that far from the campground. And there's a parking area over here. And then over here, it looks like is the nature trail. So you have a canopy walk and a nature trail, and I'll probably do both of these tomorrow. Right now I'm just trying to get an idea of where everything is and how far it is from the campground so I can decide if I want to walk over here or ride the bike or take the van. It's so pretty through here. I love all these oaks covered in Spanish moss. I never get tired of them. There's been a lot of traffic on this road though. Probably because of the time of day. People are probably ending their activities, heading back to camp, or exiting the park even. But it's been fairly constant like this. Those are wild boar. And they really can dig up an area. You can see over here where they've really dug up this area. Unfortunately, I'm also seeing all the traps. So, you know, right now they're happy. I'm betting this grassy area here is popular with the deer though, when the sun's a little lower in the sky. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out here early in the morning. I'm not an early riser, but for this I will. I will get up early. Alright, I'm gonna head back to that gator hole, see how that looks right now. It was really busy earlier. I forgot that it gets dark so late now. I have plenty of daylight left, I think. Oh yeah, those are some large alligators. Along this drive they have all these pullovers and people stop and look at the wildlife. And boy, there is a lot of wildlife in this park. I am headed back to camp, so I'll take you guys and show you that canopy walk in the morning, and then I'll go back over there and see if I can't spot some deer. I did actually spot one, but it was way in the distance and it jumped off and I couldn't see it anymore, so I didn't get it for you, but I bet they'll be out there in the morning. I'm gonna finish settling into camp and then make some dinner. There's a little bunny right there. There's a little bunny again. I have a friend. So I'm just gonna keep dinner very simple tonight. I've got pasta boiling, and I'm gonna have some roasted red bell pepper, with a little bit of tomato, onion, asparagus, and basil and garlic, and olive oil. Yeah, I think that's it. I always get so self-conscious when I'm out here in these campgrounds all by myself. I'm not really, I'm with a lot of people, but I feel very conspicuous. I gotta get over that. Uh-oh. I always do this. I made way too much. Paprika, an Italian blend, and some black pepper. I'm losing my light. That's alright, I can always move inside. I'm horrible at timing things. So I ended up coming inside. I finished cooking out there, but brought in a few mosquitoes with me. Oh. Yeah, I'm terrible at timing these things. I finished it up and it looks pretty good. I'm ready to eat. Take a look. I was trying to finish cooking it while holding the Lucy lamp in the dark. But I was determined to get it done rather than haul everything in and then try to finish. And it looks good. Hopefully it'll taste as good. I got messes to clean up, but I'm eating first. Good morning, guys. I didn't get out quite as early as I wanted this morning, but I was out by 8:30 and I saw some nice wildlife, but I wanted to come over here to the Canopy Trail and do that, and it was very busy. And so now I'm back again and it's still busy. It's beautiful in here. Nice and shady. So the Canopy Walk is just off the road over here, and there's some people up at the top right now. I think that part of it might be closed off, but yeah, I'm anxious to show you guys. It's a walkway that is about, I think they said 100 miles up in 100 miles 100 feet up in the air. And no, it's 100 feet. Okay, I'll get this right. So this walk is about 25 feet up in the air and about 100 feet long. And the big draw is all these epiphytic plants that grow along the trees. Okay, you can see it's boarded up here, so you can't go all the way up to the top. Let me give you a look at this. So that Canopy walk connects directly to the nature trail. And this is supposed to be about a 40-minute walk on the nature trail. Looks like it has signage along the way. I couldn't ask for a better day weather-wise. I mean, it's warm, but it's got there's a nice breeze, so the light is beautiful. It's just really nice day to be on this trail. Looks like this trail branches off here. I think I'm gonna go down just a little ways and see where this goes. It looks like it comes out over here at a puddle. I guess it's a puddle. I'm checking for alligators. They can be in the smallest puddles, especially during dry season, but I don't think it's really dry season right now. I swear I just heard something. I think I'm gonna back off. I don't know what it was. It's probably just a frog. Anyway, continue on. Oh, now I did hear it that time. Did you guys hear that? I think it's one of those hogs. Okay, I'm not gonna stick around. Wild boar, I should say. They can get quite aggressive. All right, I'm back on trail. That was a nice little walk. And I'd say 40 minutes, taking your time is about right. Headed back to camp now. The temperature's not too bad in here. It looks like a lot of the people next to me are leaving. I've been hearing people talking as they're walking and such about how they have to switch sites. I think because it's so hard to get reservations this time of year, and at this particular campground it can be as well, because it's popular campground. That what they do is they'll get a night in one spot, then a night in another spot, and then they have to just pack up and switch spots. So there's a lot of shuffling going on right now because it's the middle of the day. I got really lucky getting this site for several days. There's a lot more that I can show you guys of this park. I'm in no hurry, so I think I'm gonna end it here. I will next time show you guys around a little more. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you next time.